Hey guys, welcome back to the Fiit channel. I'm Steph and today I'm here to take you through a 5 to 7 minute beginner's ab workout. It's super easy, it's just one circuit that we're gonna do twice through. Let's go. So we're gonna start on our backs and we're going to do a T crunch. So lie with your legs slightly wider than hip distance apart and your arms above your head. You're gonna take your left hand to your right ankle and come back down. Then your right hand to your left ankle and come back down. We're gonna do 10 of them. Let's go. Four, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna come onto your side into a side plank. So you want to stack that shoulder over your elbow. Your feet can be slightly in front of each other and you're going to push those hips to the sky. You're taking your arm underneath the hole in between your body and the floor and then coming back up. You're going to do 10 of these. So the whole time you want to keep this hip as far away from the ground as possible. Coming under, really twisting and then looking to the sky. 6 more here. Keeping that core nice and tight, sucking that belly button to spine. Nice and slow and controlled. For the last 2 and 1. We're gonna do exactly the same, but on the other side. So again, stacking that shoulder over your elbow. If it's sore on your shoulder, you can come up to your hand, pushing up, hips to the sky, and twisting under. Keeping that core nice and tight. If you really extend through the legs, you'll find that balance. Last 5. And rest. We are now coming into downward dog toe taps. You're gonna find a nice plank position. So stacking your shoulders over your wrists, onto your toes, squeezing your glutes and belly button to spine. From here, you're gonna push back into downward facing dog and your left hand is coming to your right ankle, coming back to plank. And the other side. We're here for 10 reps. Pushing that bum to the sky as you push back. Four more. And come back down. So from here, we are now going to do the same position, but we're going to do a plank knee raise. So back to the plank position. You're going to drive that knee to the outside of your elbow and then back to plank. Holding for a second and then pushing back. Six more. Keeping your focus just in front of your hands onto the mat. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we're going to alternate leg lowers. So lying back on your spine, your palms are facing down by the side of your bum. Your legs are coming up, and then you're just going to lower one leg to an inch off the mat, and then coming back up, and then the other leg. What I want you to focus on is tucking that bum under, sucking that belly button to spine. So we don't want to arch in that back. If you do feel your back arching, tuck under slightly and just take your leg a little bit higher. So here we go, 10 reps. Down, up. Feeling like a synchronized swimmer in the pool. Keeping that belly button to spine. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, keeping those legs nice and straight, 1. And we're gonna repeat that circuit one more time with no rest. So straight into those T crunches, let's go. Left arm to right ankle. Last 4. Now coming into that side plank twist, onto our right side, shoulder over elbow, hips to the sky, one foot in front of the other, reaching up. So breathe out as you come down, breathe in as you look up. That's 4. Halfway, keeping that core nice and tight, really rotating. 4 more. Last 2. Last 1. Coming down slowly and onto the other side. Shoulder over elbow, feet one foot in front of the other, hips pushing up and reach. Here we go. Keep breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Last 2. Last 1. Next exercise, into that plank position, and we're doing 10 downward dog toe taps. So pushing up into a plank, pushing the weight back, and your left hand is coming to outside of your right ankle. 10 of those, let's go. Making sure you come back to that plank position. Last 5. 3, 2, and 1. Staying in that plank position, we're coming to the knee drives to your elbow. So keep going for 10 reps, but whilst you go, I want you to focus on your hips facing down towards the mat. So imagine you have 2 headlights and you don't want them twisting. So staying there for the last 4. 3, 2, last 1. We are now coming onto our backs, into those alternate plank lowers. So remember what I said about keeping that pelvis tucked, belly button to spine, palms by the side of your bum, legs up, nice and straight. So go as low as you can without your back arching, okay? You don't want to collapse, keeping it nice and tight. 8 more. Keeping those legs nice and straight. Last 4. Keep breathing for the last 3, 2, and 1. Whew, slowly come back up to sitting. There we have the beginner's abs. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to tune back in soon. Bye.